Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Movers Littleton. Local and long-distance movers near me. When it comes to local moves in Littleton, MA, our Littleton local TM movers know the drill like nobody else. Here's the lowdown on how we rock those moves. First, our experienced movers will swing by your place to assess your needs and create a tailored plan for your move. We'll pack up your belongings with the utmost care, ensuring everything is secure and ready for the journey. Now, here's the cool part. Since we're familiar with the streets of Littleton, we can navigate those twists, turns, and shortcuts like a pro. No need to worry about getting lost or stuck in traffic jams. For long-distance moves, we start by creating a detailed schedule that ensures a smooth journey for your belongings. We carefully pack your items using high-quality materials to keep them safe and secure throughout the long haul. Our team of experienced movers will load up the truck like Tetris masters, efficiently utilizing every inch of space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Littleton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form